everyone, XX Blocker XX here. Now we're gonna continue our Let's Play video of Minecraft Pocket Edition. This is now episode 3, and right now, let's get started. That XX Blocker XX. I forgot the name of our world. The what do you call this? The Minecraft had updated the alpha. It's now Alpha Build 6. Yeah, Alpha Build 6. What? What? Gonna F5 mode? You got to be kidding me. What? I'm gonna get my D-pad bigger because why not? And this is too big. I just saw like a bar. Yes, it's raining. Woo! And I need a split controls. I just saw third person. What? I just saw that. Like the difficulties like that. I'm gonna change it to F5 mode. Sup guys? I will have a new intro and I will have a new outro too. Well, a bit bigger. If it is, yeah, it is good. I'm gonna kill. Wait, yay! And like the icon, like the box at the bottom, it makes longer right now. Like, wait, like this big. It's like off of my head right now. But anyway, it's that. Let's kill this pig first. I'm so sorry, piggy, because I'm so hungry right now. Well, not really. It has no bacon. This doesn't have flash. Button flash. Why this is not raining anymore? Why? Well, I'm gonna extend this first because it looks weird when I'm gonna look at it. And why does my skin is Alex? Just wait for a sec. I'm gonna change my skin. Okay, so right now we're back, and I have a good news and I have a bad news on you. That my homemade skin is gone. Gone. It's gone. Why this is gone? It is now gone. Oh, there's a cow there. There's so many cows. Why? I have my sword, but I didn't use to kill the cow. Maybe I'm gonna make a mini farm I already have a mini farm, but like next to my house. Why just I can kill him? Yes, we can make armor right now. Where's the other cow? Where's the other cow? Where's the other cow? You still it? Did you? I don't know. But we're just gonna find it. And earlier I saw a sheep. I'm gonna kill this piggy first because to get some experience. Where are you, piggy? Now there's a creeper there that I'm gonna kill first. Oh, just it's not attacking. Whoops! It's not attacking. It's not attacking. It's not attacking. There we go. What is that? Oh, I think I saw a seed. There we go. Oh, there you go. I've been looking for you, cowish. Cowish. Right now, wait, I'm gonna turn on the volume more. There we go, so you can hear more. You know, because maybe others are deaf watching this video. And I'm sorry if sometimes I'm shouting, sometimes I'm not, sometimes I'm so quiet because that is my mood. You can change it, you cannot. Where is that sheep earlier? Oh, there's a cow. Wait, is this my crafting? Yeah, this is my crafting table. Oh no. Ouch, ouch, ouch. Oh, he left a bow. Yeah. So we already have a bow, a bone, and I need to eat right now because my health is getting low. I need to my keypad size bigger like this. Good. So hot right now. Oh really, it's so hot. There you go. Sheep. Sheepy, sheepy, sheepy. Thank you. Yeah. I think I have two. Woods right there. I'm gonna chop some wood because I have no more wood. After making my bed, I'm gonna end my video. Run, just run, just run. There we go. And maybe to the next episode, I'm gonna make my house bigger, like higher, not wider, higher, and make some planks, many planks as you can. And yeah, where's my walls? One, two. Well, right now I can make my own bed. There we go. Where's my bed? I'm gonna put my bed just right here. I'm gonna get this bigger because when I spawn in the house, my health will gonna low. I think I'm getting hurt with this. All of you. I need to remove. And right now, just wait because there's no an F5. this is the end of my video. Hope you like it. If you like it, please press that like button and please subscribe if you want to. This is XX Blocker XX signing out and chill.